Tuganya okwemblesinga, tuganya okukkiririza mu digital transformation. Newankubadde mu budget twataddemu ssente mpitirivu nnyo, naye nazo zigenda kubbibwa okumanya bano abantu bazibu. N'olw'ensonga eyo nsaba ku mulundi guno nti tutandikire ku baana abato. Abaana bano abato basobola okuzza embeera engulu, kubanga banaayiga bajja kukula nga bamanyi systems zino, era tugezeko okulwanyisa corruption nga tuyita mu digital systems. Njagala okwebaza Bweya Soft Consultancy Limited nti bakoze omulimu munene nnyo okutuwa omusingi omugumu ogwa digital systems. Batuwadde omusingi mugumu nti singa tunatandikira wano bwe tuti tujja kugenda mu maaso tuemblesinge digital transformation, digital system, IT.
If for West and Eastern world, and they say for us in Africa, this is not our thing, but this is why we did this today, to tell them that even in Africa, there are companies like us that are doing products specifically for Ugandan market, but on international standard. Basically, we want to elevate the use of internet penetration from where it is now in the 20s to at least 30s or 40s. We have products that we have built for these purposes, so people can embrace them and use technology. When you use technology, you are going to reduce expenditures in administration. When you use technology, we are going to reduce on the time you put in doing one thing. And this gives you more productivity, and this gives you more time to do more things.
What exactly are you, what major challenges are you looking at that you want to address?
Embracing technology. In Uganda, we are not embracing technology to the maximum. And why? It is because people think these things are for Western or they are expensive. It's not. These things are for even us because we are also doing things, we are also running businesses where we want to make profits, we are also running schools where we want to do things easy, we are also running institutions and charity where we want to work to be easy. So basically we have this challenge that is in there in productivity. We want to replace some manual things with products that are system and automated.
How does that promote efficiency?
That should go digital. One is real-time data management. You can access your data anywhere around the world. You don't need to be in one physical place. Echirala.
In English.
Oh, sorry. So what should I do?
Yes, English. It's okay.
Okay. So another one is paperwork reduction. There's a lot of paperwork in so many companies, and would like people to go digital in a way that things are stored somewhere safe, where we don't have worries of data loss or anything of that sort. Other thing is the global market. If you are in one place, there's no way someone outside your region can know about what you are doing, however much they might be interested in your services. So going digital helps you to be more visible and global around the world.
As you advocate for this digitalization, we still see the penetration of internet is still very low. So how are you going to, pursue this agenda?
Yeah, I think people need to be sensitized, and this is what we have done today. Let people know that there are systems out there they can use to shift from analog to digital styles of doing work. And we have products that aim at shifting companies and institutions and organizations to application of digital systems and processes in their day-to-day operations.
Maybe any government, what should government do to ensure that people can access digital?
Yeah, we would request the government to reduce